Hi, I'd like to briefly explain the Power 30 bonus. The Power 30 bonus is a weekly bonus that rewards you for investing in your business during the first 30 days of enrollment and for continually working to build a strong sales team. Every week, Q Sciences puts 2% of total company qualifying volume into Power 30 bonus pool. At the end of the week, the pool is divided and paid out to qualifying IBOs based on their total number of shares in the pool. Here's how you can earn shares in the pool. If during your first 30 days after enrollment you reach a non-auto ship personal sales volume of 365 PV, you earn a Power 30 bonus number or multiplier of 2. If you reach 750 PV, you earn a multiplier of 3, and if you reach 1500 PV, you earn a multiplier of 5. Retail customer and preferred customer volumes count toward your PV to help determine your multiplier. If you reach at least 365 non-auto ship PV within your first 30 days of enrollment, you will receive an additional 30 days to reach the 1500 PV level and receive the maximum multiplier possible. Once set, you keep your Power 30 bonus number or multiplier for as long as you remain a Q Sciences IBO. When you personally enroll a new IBO, it works the same for them. At 365 PV, they earn a multiplier of 2. At 750 PV, they earn a multiplier of 3. And at 1500 PV, they earn a multiplier of 5. As long as you maintain a monthly auto ship order of at least 120 PV each time you personally enroll a new IBO, we take their Power 30 bonus number during the week of enrollment and multiply it by your Power 30 bonus number. The result is the number of shares you receive in that week's Power 30 bonus pool. For example, say your multiplier is 5. You have a standing auto ship of 120 PV, and you enroll a new IBO who purchases an executive pack worth 1500 PV during their first week. The new IBO earns a Power 30 bonus number of 5, and you receive 25 shares in that week's Power 30 bonus pool. At the end of the week, when the entire pool is divided and paid out into that week's qualifying IBOs, you will earn a bonus based on your total number of shares. The number of shares you can earn each week in the Power 30 bonus pool is unlimited, as is the portion of each week's pool that you can receive. Remember, your Power 30 bonus number is based on your non-auto ship PV in your first 30 to 60 days of enrollment and stays with you as long as you are a Q Sciences IBO. The Power 30 bonus is that easy.